as I said yesterday, we're just gonna do some stuff and wait here for somewhere for our UP train up to Portland. At night there was a guy walking from that direction, so I mean there is nothing, so we assume that I don't know, he might have come out of their yard, but we don't know, we have no idea. But I mean yesterday it was dark like in the ass, so we might look around today when we can actually see stuff, and we'll decide after that. Alright, we're cooking. More, man. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, we're cooking here. We're chilling there in the sewer. Got some trains going, you know. It's a great view. I'm having this appetizer, it's a fucking soup. Well, waiting for a train. We'll see what's gonna happen. There aren't any good spots really, so yeah, but we also, with our European nature, we don't really know how it works around here, so well, we're doing it our way. But that might not be really ideal for this type of thing here. If the point you can't be an idiot to make it stands, then we're gonna make it. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye. Hello. Some time has passed. We came back all the way from where we cooked crystal meth to the place where we slept. It's right there around the corner. Yeah, we decided to come back here since it's a really popular catching out spot for the locals and all the American hobos. And also since we saw some people there, and well, we decided even before, but that we're gonna socialize with the local hobo community, so hopefully they'll be nice. We'll see how that goes. Maybe they will help us more. Alright guys, so quick update. Damn, there's a chopper, bro.
Yeah, they've cleared. You can make your move.
They're after us. So we arrived on the hobo spot, met two groups of people. One was going towards our direction, so Portland, and he gave us some advice, which actually we knew almost everything he said, but he said that he had been here for 3 days already and nothing towards Portland stopped. So that's pretty fucking shit. Yeah, it's not ideal, but yeah. Right, it's been a few hours. It's like 7 PM now. We met some fellow riders. Yeah, they're super chill. They taught us some things. We're gonna ride with them, so it's gonna be great. Much better than if we did it alone, so yeah. Yeah, they know what they're doing. I mean, still, we're here for the first time. Gonna show us around, and then we can go off by our own. This is really like helpful, and we didn't expect it even, so all the fucking shit that was happening before to us, hopefully it reflects on this. My fucking stomach is brewing shit. Yeah, mine too. I fucking took might be the fucking pasta from lunch. Yeah, I mean I took a dump in the morning, but fucking I gotta go so fucking bad, and I've been holding it like a few hours and it's getting worse. On another note, there should be a departure towards Portland this evening, so that's good. Right guys, we're in the yard and the train is going at 2 AM. We're gonna wait till then, or maybe sooner. reeds, bamboo, some shit, I don't know. Well, we'll then wait till it's about departure time and we'll get on it. Train is going somewhere around Eugene, so we'll see. We might have to figure out another way to get to Portland. But yeah, that's worry for another day, so.
So we're gonna keep going down, across the wood, because it's safer to walk over there. We're less visible instead of out in the open. Yeah. How much do they check from the watchtowers? Not really. Because I don't want to get on top of those guys. In Slovakia, even if they are full, like quite full, you can hide and they won't see you. So I say we do it, and then it's. Hey.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
пьяницы.
To the front, so we'll probably go to Dunsmuir and get off there, maybe catch another train. The rails are curvy, so they can see us at points, but at other points they can't see us. You gotta be careful and ready.
In the morning, you hear the work bell ring, and I march you to the table. You see the same old thing, ain't no food upon the table. There's no fork up in the pan, but you better not complain, boy. You get in trouble with the man. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a light on me. Let the midnight special shine a ever-loving light on me.
Know how much you heard before, but now we arrived in Dunsmuir. It's gonna be a crew change here, and then we'll continue traveling with other fellow hobos, showing us around and shit. It's fun. So we're in Dunsmuir. There's some sort of a bar. We went out to get some burgers, got something to drink here. Quite some pool. You can see some surroundings. We're gonna eat, so go shop, some groceries and shit, and then catch out probably. There should be an intermodal coming to Portland, so hopefully that's gonna happen and we're gonna catch it, so well, we'll see about that. But. That's in the opposite direction we need to go. Not ideal. Gotta wait. Gotta wait. What?
Who was whistling?
Were you just whistling?
I have like 10 more minutes left and fucking SD card, so hopefully we can make it this time. Yeah, thanks. Oh shit. I ripped my water bottle.
These doors will slide as we move.
Yeah.
Two windows. Usually only one.
You can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. is a desert with its life underground and the perfect disguise above. Under the cities lies a heart made of ground, but the humans will give no love. You see, I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La, 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 la,
stuff underneath and stay low.
Yeah.
Because every time I run out of space, I put stuff in behind front. Or you want to keep your back to the wind. So, I think this will be a good car for you.
Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so we got an intermodal.
Tam masz wiatr, tak. A ty tu masz to tu. Dobra, o, do tej domogi. Ten tam, jak w sumie jest to redukt, tam je też prawi. Jeszcze wiec nie, do lewa.
stopped in Eugene for crew change. It's about 8 or 9. We slept. It wasn't the best since there isn't much room for the two of us, but that's alright. What happened yesterday was that as we were going into Cave Falls for like a crew change or something, actually we just got stuck there in the boxcar. So we just went to sleep in the boxcar, and then at 2:30 AM intermodal came this one, so we just packed our shit and went as quick as possible on it. We're gonna be in Portland in like a short while. Alright, that's it. We're already on our way. There are a few more riders. There's our people. Portland, everyone. Fucking cool view. Nice park. Gonna do some picnic and shit. Eat, drink, all that good stuff. Then we'll move on. Probably separate from our buddies that we made here, and we'll go on around. Chilling in the tree. 3-man Skrypt. 3 people. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. 3-man Skrypt turned into a squirrel. He got fucking higher. So even nicer. Alright. Hope I get down safely, because this fucking shit is scarier than riding trains for some fucking reason. If you don't hear from me, I'm probably in a hospital.